Alright, this is proof for Junior of what our awesome prize is. Check out this box. Check it out. Bigger than my head. Yeah.
Oh, man. Watch is actually like a Pokemon game. Another one. I would probably shit myself.
Just wait. So exciting. I don't know what it is. It's some stuffing. Some stuffing.
Alright,
stuffing.
more stuffing.
More stuffing.
What the?
A little more stuffing. Another box. A smaller lockers box. See? Lockers. Alright. Now, we open this up. What's in here, man? What's in here? Something awesome. A video game. An iPod. Who knows? A MacBook. Let's check it out. Stuffing. And? A mug.
A motherfucking cup.
A mug.
That's a pretty big ass mug.
A mug.
This huge ass box.
Oh my god.